Oh, hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Faster111, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how to make popcorn. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, guys, so first things first, you need your popcorn. So let me just get that right out, and then, boom, unwrapped. Alright, guys, so next thing, you gotta plop this up on the stove, and then what you gotta do is, boom, I did that wrong, 1 second. Boom! Ayo, there we go. Well, now that we do that, it's time to go down to your weird studio apartment that locks from the outside. Just... Alright. That makes... Alright. Whew. Home sweet home. Alright, so this is my studio apartment, guys. I know it's a mess, I've also been trying to save money, which is why I left all the lights on. Gosh darn it. So anyway, what you gotta do next is... Boom! Alright, guys. So, the next great thing about this is that it automatically puts the bag in the garbage of your studio apartment, but it's only my studio apartment, so don't do that. It'll end up here. So anyway, guys, I hope that you I hope that you enjoyed the video. No, I didn't use physics. That's just not a thing that YouTubers do. Anyway, until next time. Bye, guys.